Hello guys, welcome back for another video, and in this one we're going to talk about Excalidraw, and a feature that I'm really enjoying using is text to diagram. So if you do not know what is Excalidraw, is basically an application where you have like a free online whiteboard where you can draw basically anything inside it. It's like a free canvas, limitless. And the different features that you have are the following. You can like draw rectangle, diamond, circle, arrows, straight lines. You can have like the free pen tool. You can add text, add images, and obviously like erase anything that you made inside the whiteboard. Okay, so let's just like quickly try to create some things. Let's add this diagram. Maybe we can add another one here. Then we can maybe add like a connector. This. Great. And then let's call it this one 2, and this one 3. And for example, we can add like some text here. Text 1, just to illustrate like the usage. Okay. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward, and once the arrow is clicked, it will follow the actual form, which is very nice. There's different ways to erase something inside the whiteboard and the canvas. You can basically select everything and delete. Okay, so with the sub delete button, or you can just basically like when you draw something, so let's say we draw two rectangle, we can just like use the eraser. Okay, so that's basically like the all you use Excalidraw, and it's very useful when you want to draw some diagram or explain something. And something that I didn't mention is that for each object that you have like a left bar where you have properties that every object inside Excalidraw do inherit, and you can change the stroke, color stroke, you can change the background. So for example, you can make this like kind of pink, you can change the background to stroke to green, you can change the fill style, okay, the width of the stroke style, with dot or straight line, the sloppiness of the actual form, the edges, the opacity. So it's very similar to like any kind of visual editor like Inkscape or PowerPoint, but this is kind of like an infinite canvas where you can draw anything. And the feature that we are most interested in is this one, which is text to diagram. Okay, so for example, what I usually do is make sure to first like add any of your prompts like visually, style and color should be included. Make it look visually elegant, for example. And for example, let's try to draw a diagram about like training pipeline of deep learning segmentation problem. Great. So we click first on generate, then it will generate a preview, and then once we are happy with this preview, what we can do is we can basically insert this. Okay, as you can see, it did draw something like some kind of a diagram, some kind of workflow with like first the data collection, data processing, data augmentation, train, validate and split, model selection, training. Then it's giving some kind of like a two ways with like some kind of a loop, model validation. If the validation outcome is okay, we go to deployment. If it's not, we go to a hyperparameter tuning phase, and then we restart until we meet the validation outcome, which is quite nice. And as I mentioned at the beginning, most of the time those different elements are linked to each other. So if I move this, the arrow will follow. If I move this, the arrow will follow, which is quite handy when, for example, you want to change the place of the different element inside the figure. As you can see, this can become messy quite rapidly, but yeah, you can basically try to find the most elegant or most easy way to represent this. Okay, and this is all of this is fully editable, so you can change the text, change the color, you can change everything inside it. So for example, if I want to make this like it's like green, I can change the stroke and I can change the background to blue, for example. Okay, let's delete all of this. And the other one that I wanted to show you is basically the same, because behind the scene, most of the time, Excalidraw is using Mermaid as like a bridge, and we can also use Mermaid to convert those diagrams. Okay, so Mermaid to Excalidraw is also possible. So this is like a quick example that they show, and currently they only support like flow, sequence, and class diagram. Okay, and for example, let's show like let me give you like a quick one, which is quite nice, which is showing like the strength of like, so as you can see, it was generated like quite easily. It's just basically a simple code of Mermaid, and give like quite different forms, the workflow with different colors, and everything is fully editable. And it's very nice when you want, as I mentioned, when you want to explain something and you want to do something, or you kind of like have to think like in a big picture of a topic, and you try to, for example, have images on the side, write some note on the other side, and draw your diagram to make sure that the full pipeline is like that you understand like what you are working with, and that you can explain the process. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Yeah, if you find this like helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps out the channel out. And if you are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on this the notification bell so you don't miss like any future videos. Now, if you are interested in text to diagram framework, you need to check out my video on how to use Mermaid like a pro for creating outstanding figure for your research pipeline or your work. The video should appear like on your screen right now. I will let you go with it. Thanks you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.